Mike Hughes here, and I'm at Solitude Liveaboards and Resorts, and I'm here with Earl. Earl, you want to tell us about our new place over at this resort here?
Sure. Well, today we're going to talk about Solitude Lembeh Resort,
Okay.
which previously was called Cassowary Resort.
Right.
And it was reopened, rebranded about 4 years ago,
Okay.
and expanded. The old Cassowary Resort was only 10 rooms,
Right.
and the new Solitude Lembeh Resort has 18 rooms now.
Doubled almost.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
So it's situated on the mainland, overlooking the Lembeh Strait and overlooking Lembeh Island, as you can see.
Yeah.
Very beautiful there. We are offering diving from boats. We have 2 speedboats that go out, get you to and from the dive sites quite fast. And we also offer shore diving. So
Okay, right in front of the...
yes, it's actually positioned right in front of one of the most famous house reefs in the area. So we offer unguided shore dives, also guided shore dives, and boat diving.
Perfect. And if they want more information about the new resort, they go to they could go to what?
www.solitude.world is our website.
Just no .com, just .world.
Just .world.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.